By 2026, the AI industry will have made many people wealthy. The question is, will you be one of them? While most people chase the latest hype, a few are quietly gaining the skills for the highest-paying jobs. If you're serious about a career in AI, this is the breakdown you need. You're trying to map out your AI career, but it's noisy. Every week there's a new must-have skill or hot job. This video is a realistic guide to the most valuable careers in artificial intelligence. We'll rank the jobs, reveal the salaries, and show you what separates an average earner from a top earner in each role. These are the launchpad jobs, essential for entering the world of AI. First, the prompt engineer, an AI whisperer who crafts commands to get the best results from an AI. The median pay for a prompt engineer is around $126,000. Top earners don't just write prompts, they evolve into AI interaction designers who build systems for prompt optimization, making themselves essential. These are high-demand jobs with solid six-figure salaries, forming the backbone of most AI teams. The classic data scientist turns raw data into business insights. The average salary for a data scientist is around $115,000 to $118,399. Top earners specialize in a high-impact field like AI-driven finance or drug discovery. They connect data to massive business wins. Also in this tier is the AI ethicist, who guides responsible AI development. Because the role is critical in preventing regulatory and reputational disasters, salaries can range from $120,000 to over $186,000. Top AI ethicists don't just write reports, they create the rulebook, building ethics directly into the AI from the start. Here, total compensation packages become life-changing. The machine learning, ML, engineer makes AI models work in the real world. The average base salary is impressive, around $183,324, but senior ML engineers at top companies can earn up to $350,000. The highest-paid ML engineers are architects of bulletproof AI infrastructure, mastering cloud platforms and building the engines that power modern business. Next is the AI architect, the master designer of a company's entire AI strategy. The average salary is around $147,820 to $179,936. The best AI architects have an enterprise-level vision. They create multi-year AI roadmaps and make million-dollar decisions that shape a company's future. In these roles, seven-figure compensation becomes a real possibility. The AI research scientist invents the future, creating the new algorithms that will power the next generation of AI. While average salaries are around $130,117 to $159,147, elite researchers at top labs like OpenAI can see compensation packages of $865,000 or more. The differentiator is inventing something that changes the game. Alongside them is the AI product manager, who sets the vision for AI-powered products. With an average salary around $128,091, this role is crucial. Top AI PMs launch products that create new markets, like the minds behind ChatGPT or Midjourney. They don't just manage a product, they create a phenomenon. This is the absolute pinnacle, focused on strategic leadership. The Chief AI Officer, or KIO, is a C-suite executive responsible for a company's entire AI strategy. For a KIO at a major corporation, total compensation can range from $300,000 to over $1 million. The differentiator is driving billions in value. An S-tier KIO is a business leader first, using AI to fundamentally reshape their industry. From the launchpad roles to executive leadership, the path is clear. The highest earners combine deep technical skill with business impact. They don't just follow the AI hype, they drive it. To help you get started, I've put together a free PDF, the AI Career Roadmap, summarizing the tiers, salary ranges, and skills from today. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.